Now that we have a Kali Linux installed, let me just give you an overview of the system as a graphical user interface. So what Kali is, what's the structure of the file system, and we'll be also talking about some of the basics apps that we are going to use. So as you can see, this is the system bar where you can see your process similar like our Windows. Then we can use this one. So this one is for your network configuration. You can click in here and see all of the network information in here, your IP address, your gateway IP address, your mask and everything. So in here you can choose to select your and see your notification. In here you can see date and time. You can lock your Kali Linux machine using this button, and then you can log out, restart and shut down all your machine by pressing in here. So in here, this is our application menu. So Kali Linux has over 600 nearly and most, I would say, that pre-installed for penetration testing, and these all apps are for this penetration testing for to discover. So each program has this unique flexibility and use case. So Kali Linux does extreme job of separating these useful utilities into these categories. Like in here you have like all of those categories from information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, and like forensic, post exploitation, and all of those. Into all of those there have lots of separated tools to use, as you can see. Then these are the settings, and then in here you can see all of those application, and in here we have see, as you can see, you have recently used application similar like in our Windows bar. So all of those can be found in here. So this here to restore the minimize window. So if you just click here, it will just minimize all of those. And then here, this is our document or like my folder tool. So in here you can access desktop, document, download music, pictures, videos, even you can create folder, open terminal, all of those in here. So this is our text reader, which is a simple text editor, and this is our built-in Firefox, and this is our terminal. So you can use three types of terminal in here. Like this will be without the root terminal, which will be the basic terminal. Then in here you can use your root terminal that will mostly use this root terminal, and in here you can also use PowerShell. And this is our workplace. Like you can have multiple workplaces in here, like just you can do multiple work, like you can check this one and simultaneously. So you can do all of those in your different workspaces. So as you can, as similar to our Windows. So as you can see, three different workspaces has the three different softwares. So you can use three different way in this. And then this is our shortcut, and from home menu you can see all of those similarly like in here. And then this is our file system, similar like our in Windows, which is the C program. So in here you can have all of those important folders and files in here, like temporary user, var, root folder, all of those. And some of the folders that in here need root permission, like in here, as you can see, you cannot open, but if you open this folder as root, as you can see, then you can access all of those folders and you can go anywhere in this file system. And then So these are all about this file system. Then this is our shortcut. This is the trash folder, similar like our in Windows and Mac. So this is our shortcut. You can create any shortcut if you want, similarly like we use in our Windows machine. So that's all the basic. So these things you don't need to actually worry about these, because these are all of the shortcuts. As you can see, these are the bridge adapter, all of those information will be shown in here. So don't need to worry about these icons. So this is all about the basic graphical user interface of Kali Linux machine.